friends and welcome back to my channel Step Ahead with Ishan. So guys, today we are going to talk about Australia and its physical features. So let's get started. Physical features. Australia has no high mountains, deep valleys or large rivers. The coastal line is very smooth. This island continent can be broadly divided into the following 4 physical divisions. First, Western Plateau. Second, Eastern Highlands. Third, Central Lowlands. Fourth, Coastal Plains. The Western Plateau. The Western Plateau spreads across Western Australia, South Australia and parts of Northern Territory. It is made up of hard rocks. A few mountain ranges like the MacDonnell, Musgrave and Hamersley rise above the general level of the Western Plateau. The Great Sandy Desert, the Gibson Desert and the Great Victoria Desert, which is the largest desert of the Australia continent, are located on the eastern side of the Western Plateau. The Kimberley Plateau. The main part of the Kimberley region is known as the Kimberley Plateau. It is located in northwestern part of the Western Plateau. Is the highest part. It comprises of flat-lying sedimentary rocks. These stones were deposited 1800 million years ago by major river system. Now the picture which is coming is of Kimberley Plateau and you can get the height of the Kimberley Plateau from this picture. The Eastern Highlands. The Eastern Highlands run parallel to the eastern and the southeastern coasts. It extends from Cape York Peninsula in the north to the Tasmania in the south. This long arc-shaped mountain range is called the Great Dividing Range. Near the southeastern corner of the Eastern Highlands lies the Australian Alps, which remain under snow during the winter season. The Eastern Highlands have steep slopes on the eastern side and gentle slopes on the western side. Most of the rivers in Australia originate from the Eastern Highlands. Mount Kosciuszko. Mount Kosciuszko is located in the Australian Alps and to the southeast of the country. It is the tallest mountain peak in the mainland Australia at 2228 meters. The picture which is now coming is of Mount Kosciuszko. The Central Lowlands. The Central Lowlands lie between the Western Plateau and the Eastern Highlands and stretch from the Gulf of Carpentaria in the north to the Encounter Bay in the south. Lowlands have 3 shallow drainage basins. They are the Carpentaria Lowland. The second one is the Lake Eyre Basin And the third one is the Murray-Darling Basin. The Carpentaria Lowland. The Carpentaria Lowland is located in the northern part of the Central Lowlands. It is the largest artesian basin in the world. The picture now coming is of an artesian well, and these artesian wells only creates the Great Artesian Basin. The Lake Eyre Basin. The Lake Eyre Basin is located in middle part of the Central Lowlands. It is the lowest region of the continent and is an area of inland drainage. Picture now coming is of the Lake Eyre Basin. The Murray-Darling Basin. The Murray-Darling Basin is located towards the south of the Central Lowlands. It is the most fertile part of the whole Australia continent. The picture now coming is of the Murray-Darling Basin. The coastal plains. The coastal plains located towards the east of the Great Dividing Range is a narrow stretch of land. Many swift flowing rivers which rise from the eastern slope of the Eastern Highlands flow through this coastal plain. The Nullarbor Plain is another coastal plain along the southern coast of Australia. It is a vast treeless plain, and the picture now coming is of Nullarbor Plain. Rift Valley. Apart from the four main physical divisions of Australia, there is also a Rift Valley in Australia. It is located in the southeastern part of Australia. The Spencer Gulf is an example of Rift Valley. The picture now coming is of the Spencer Gulf, which is a Rift Valley. So friends, this was whole for today, and now it's time to end this session. Hope you guys liked it. But guys, before leaving, I would like to tell you that now we are on Instagram also. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram too. And as usual, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon too. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, stay home, stay safe.